Here we have Playcut AI. This is the homepage where you can quickly jump into the studio, which we will jump into now, or you can go from the sidebar. In the studio, you can create images or videos. You can create images by describing them or by adding references, which allows you to edit and modify images. You can add up to 16 different references. Here we will show a few quick examples of, let's say, generating an image of a t-shirt. All we have to do at the bottom is click select the single or grid. We'll pick the grid which costs the same thing, and it generates either a variation or story mode. In this case, we want variations of 3x3 grid, and we'll set the resolution to 1K. Here we created 9 different variations at the same prompt with the cost of one image. And if we want to, let's say, select this one, we liked showcasing the shirt. All we have to do is select it as a reference, and let's say increase the resolution to 4K. So we can see it upscaled the image into a much higher resolution. And this is our Coca-Cola image we also created. So now let's say we want to use these two as reference to create a photo shoot. As you can see, the same shirt and bottles being used. And if we want to create videos, all we have to do is switch over to here. We have many options for videos. We can simply describe a video and select the durations, the aspect ratio, and the resolution. We can also give it a start image like this, for example, and ask it to do something. And same options down here, which will generate the video based on the starting frame. Transition is where you can give it a starting and an end frame. This is really good for before and after, or interior design and such. And reference is really good for giving it items like, let's say, multiple angles of a shoes and making it rotate. And then we also have the extend option, allowing you to extend up to over a minute, where you can essentially create the scene and keep going and adding to it. Next, we'll jump into the actors. So one thing is, as you can see, you can easily create a product photo shoot here, but the problem is keeping the actor consistent, let's say. So we've created this thing called the actors. You can basically create one from scratch or just create one from one of these templates that are here. So we'll just go ahead and click this. And once you've clicked the actor, you can customize it, or you can clone it. So this one, I'll just show you quickly what customization does. Allows you to change pretty much everything. And so we'll go back and just clone. So now we've made our own actor. And in here we have a few options. It's almost the same thing as the studio, but some more options. So here you can create a scene showing the actor in a specific pose. So let's say taking a selfie. And here we have some outfits that are already defined. This, let's say. And then if you want to add other reference images, you could also do that. And once we hit generate, it should create a picture of the same exact person with the scene and the outfit we have given it. So here you go. And so now let's say we wanted to change the scene to be custom. We could also give it, an image, and it will grab that scene, or we could describe the scene using a prompt. And for outfits, we can do the same thing. We can add a custom outfit. So, we generated this thing here. We can also add another outfit item. So let's say we wanted to add this other short we generated here as well. So here's the short that we gave it, the same shirt, and the scene that we described. So let's say we wanted to create a video out of this and add this as a reference. And there you go. Here we have the video generated.
Hi guys, just got this pink short and I'm obsessed. Look at this colour.
There you go. So there is your actor with consistent look. And then here's the files page where you can basically see everything um, divided by the studio sessions you have, the actors, and also switch between table or grid format. And at the bottom, we have our account setting where you can go and change your account. And the billing basically is where you can see all your credits that are being spent for the jobs and your subscription and so on. And up here, you can see the notifications for all the jobs you've done. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick intro into the Playcut AI. Thank you for watching.